Grasping arguments, unraveling claims, evidence, and reasoning. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of arguments and explore their key components: claims, evidence, and reasoning. Understanding these elements will not only help enhance your English listening and speaking skills, but also develop your critical thinking abilities. An argument, in this context, doesn't mean a heated dispute or disagreement. Rather, an argument is a series of statements typically used to persuade someone of something or to present reasons for accepting a conclusion. It is constructed from three core components: claim, evidence, and reasoning. The claim is the point or statement that a person is trying to make or prove. It is an assertion or proposition that states the argument's main idea or position. For example, a claim could be something like, "Exercise is good for your health." The evidence is the information that supports or proves the claim. Evidence can come in many different forms, such as statistics, data, anecdotes, scientific studies, or quotations from experts. Using the same example, evidence for the claim, "Exercise is good for your health," could be a scientific study showing that people who exercise regularly have lower rates of heart disease. Lastly, the reasoning is the logic or rationale that connects the evidence to the claim. It explains how or why the evidence supports the claim. Going back to our example, the reasoning could be, regular exercise helps maintain a healthy weight, control blood sugar levels, and improve heart health, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. So, when you're listening to an argument, you should be identifying these three components. Ask yourself, what is the claim being made? What evidence is provided to support this claim? How does the speaker's reasoning connect this evidence to the claim? By answering these questions, you can evaluate the strength of an argument and improve your comprehension of the discussion at hand. That wraps up today's topic on the components of an argument. I hope this has been a useful lesson in enhancing your English language skills and promoting your critical thinking abilities. Remember, the better we understand the structure of arguments, the more effectively we can engage in meaningful discussions and debates. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep asking questions.